Hello everyone, welcome to the unit number 5 of our PYQ practice of software engineering. So let's start the questions. So our first question is, what is the main goal of project management? Options are writing code, completing project under time, cost and quality constraints, or creating Gantt chart, or hiring team members. So the correct option is completing project under time, cost and quality constraints. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, the first phase of software project management is execution, planning, initiation or closure. So the correct option is option C, initiation. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which document defines the objective and deliverable of the project? Options are SRS, Gantt chart, project charter or invoice. So the correct option is project charter. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which factor is not a project constraint? Options are scope, time, technology, or cost. So the correct option is technology. We are moving to the next question. Next question is, the most critical resource in software project is. Options are server, database, people, or tools. So the correct option is people. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, WBS stand for. Options are work breakdown structure, web business system, workflow based scheduling, or work batch summary. So the correct option is work breakdown structure. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which of the following is not a cost estimation technique? Options are expert judgment, Delphi technique, Kokomo model, or UML. So the correct option is UML. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, what is the output of cost estimation? Options are test cases, project budget, source code, or WBS. So the correct option is project budget. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, in Kokomo, the efforts is expressed as line of code, hours, person months, or dollar. So the correct option is person months. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which is the most detailed level of cost estimation? Options are rough order of magnitude, budget estimate, definitive estimate, or feasibility estimate. So the correct option is definitive estimate. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, a project has an estimate of 1000 LOC using Kokomo model for organic type, and efforts is equal to 2.4 into KLOC power 1.05. Then what is effort? So you can solve it and your answer is 2.67 person month. And you can see the calculation below also. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, if a task takes 20 days and 5 people are assigned, how many total person days are required? Options are 25, 100, 4 or 120. So the correct option is 100. You can see the calculation below. And we are moving to the next question. Next question is, what is the productive rate of 2000 LOC is written in 10% day? So the options are 200 LOC per day, 20 LOC per day, 100 LOC per day, or 50 LOC per day. LOC is your line of code. So the correct option is 200 line of code per day. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which is a graphical representation of project schedule? Options are ER diagram, Gantt chart, UML class, or flow chart. So the correct option is Gantt chart. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, PERT stand for. Options are project estimation and resource tracker. Option B, program evaluation and review technique. Option C, process execution and risk testing. And option D, planning execution, risk or tracking. So the correct option is program evaluation and review technique. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, Gantt chart are used for. Options are risk estimation, scheduling, testing, or coding. So the correct option is scheduling. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which time is not part of program evaluation and review technique? Options are optimistic, pessimistic, critical, or most likely. So the correct option is critical. So we are moving to the next question. So next question is, expected time in PERT is calculated as. You can see the options here. O is for optimistic estimate and M is for most likely estimate and P is for pessimistic estimate. So the correct option is option B, O plus 4M plus P divided by 6. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is configuration management deals with project planning, managing source code version, network setup or team hiring. So the correct option is managing source code versions. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is Git, SVN and CVS are tools for design, testing, configuration management or coding. So the correct option is configuration management. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is SCM stand for software coding model, source configuration matrix, software configuration management or system code manager. So the correct option is software configuration management. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is which is not a part of SCM? Software configuration management. So the options are version control, change control, text execution or build management. So the correct option is test execution. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is configuration item can be only source code, only documents, any project artifact or only hardware. So the correct option is any project artifact. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is project milestone are used to options are delay delivery, identify failure, mark key progress points or estimate budget. So the correct option is mark key progress points. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is earned value is equal to 60 and planned value is equal to 80 and actual cost is equal to 70. Then what is cost performance index? Which is CPI. So the correct option is 0.75 and you can see the calculation below. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is in project tracking, SPI, which is your schedule performance index, is equal to earned value divided by planned value. Then what does SPI less than 1 means? Options are project are ahead of schedule, project are on time, behind schedule or over budget. So the correct option is project is on behind schedule. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is a successful project should achieve high profit, budget only, objective with scope, time and cost or minimal effort. So the correct option is a successful project achieves objectives within scopes, time and cost. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is risk mitigation refers to options are ignoring risk, accepting risk, reducing impact of risk or removing team members. So the correct option is reducing impact of risks. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is which tools show task dependencies? Options are use cases, sequence diagram, PERT chart or class diagram. So the correct option is PERT chart. So we are moving to the last question. Last question is what is a project baseline? Options are first module, final delivery, approved project plan or team kickoff. So the correct option is approved project plan. Don't forget to share it with your friends and class groups. And if you find the video helpful for your exam preparation, then hit a like button and we meet in the next video.